second graders. So today we are looking at how to compare numbers. And comparing numbers is really fun because there's a really fun trick to remember that, that you can use to compare numbers, and use these symbols, these little symbols that we have up here at the top, to compare our numbers. So they look a little bit like an alligator's mouth chomping down on something, and the most important thing to remember is that the alligator always chomps. He's hungry. He always wants to chomp at the bigger number. So if we look at these two examples up top, 5 and 3 are the two numbers being compared. 5 is a larger number. It's got a higher value than 3. So 5 is greater than 3. That's what that symbol, this little arrow-looking symbol, means. It reads like this: 5 is greater than 3. Now if we flip those around and we have the 3 on this side, the alligator is going to want to chomp the bigger number still. So we would read this as 3 is less than 5. 3 is a smaller number than 5, so it is less than 5. And notice our alligator is still chomping at the 5. And then down here, our example is we have a 4 on this side and a 4 on this side, and we know that 4 and 4 have the same value, so we say 4 equals 4. Now those are fairly simple examples, but if we look down here, we have some two-digit numbers to compare. And we have place value block examples for the first two. So let's take a look. We are comparing the two numbers 46 and 52. Here's 46 in place value blocks. It's got 4 10s and 6 1s. 52 has 5 10s and 2 1s. Now 52 might have fewer 1s, but it has more 10s. We know it's definitely a larger number than 46. So 52 is the larger number, 46 is the smaller number, so we would read this, because 46 is on this side, we would read this as 46 is less than, so is less than, there's our alligator chomping, 52. 46 is less than 52. Now over here, we've got 47 compared to 35. Now again, I don't even really need to look at the 1s. My first job is to look at the 10s. If the 10s are different, I don't need to look at the 1s. I just need to see if there's more 10s on one side, because we know 10s are worth more. So 4 10s versus 3 10s, 47 is a bigger number than 35, and we can read this as 47 is greater than 35. Notice, our alligator wants to chomp at the 47. We're going to use this symbol. Let's check out 26 and 28. Now, if I drew those in place value blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, and 1, 2 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here, the number of 10s and the number of 10s on both of those numbers is the same. They both have 2 10s. Now I have to look to the 1s place. This number only has 6 1s, and this number has 8 1s. So this number has more 1s and the same number of 10s. So this number must be bigger. So I want my alligator to chomp the bigger number, so I would read this as 26 is less than 28. It's a smaller number. My alligator's chomping my bigger number. 26 is less than 28. And then here we have the numbers 38 and 38. Well, same number of 10s, 3 10s, 3 10s. Same number of 1s, 8 1s, 8 1s. Those numbers are the same. They have the same value, so they are equal. 38 equals 38. You're going to keep working on this on your own. Good luck.